My mom's Italian. I don't know if you knew that.
I didn't know that.
I'm a Rasta pasta, you say.
Jamaican Italian, Jamaican Chinese.
Great food in all of those cultures, you know what I'm saying?
I was thinking something delicious but not heavy, and this is what I came up with, man. Curried ackee.
Looks
with
delicious.
some Ital Veggies and some plantain and some bit of rice.
Rasta diet. Rasta diet. I like it.
We're going clean, but it's big flavors at the same time as well too, man.
Looks amazing. I can't wait. Let's do it. Nice and cold. Cheers.
Cheers. Yes. For this series, we partnered with Red Stripe to bring you a taste of the island.
Yo, chef.
Yo, Rennie, how's it going, brother?
Doing well, bro. How are you?
Yo, I feel like cooking right now. What do you feel like eating?
Man, I would love some ackee.
Ackee, all right.
Are you thinking a little bit lighter? Are you thinking a little bit more full flavored?
What's on your mind?
I'm on a diet right now, so
Cool.
Some Ital would be a vibe.
Ital. Okay, I'm gonna keep it clean. I'm gonna keep it energy forward.
Head over. I'm gonna start cooking. Just join me, man.
Sounds good, brother.
Sick.
On my way right now.
See you soon. Later. All right, so I'm cooking for Rennie now. I gotta make sure that I'm delivering some big, bold flavors, but at the same time with clean ingredients. So I'm gonna choose a bit of coconut. Best way to open up a coconut is with a big hammer. Some coconuts are meant for water, like the young ones. This is a meat coconut. We got the meat, and now it's time to turn this into milk. And a bit of hot water. All this coconut milk is gonna get strained now. As this milk strains, I'm gonna add some ingredients and I'm gonna steep it almost like a tea and then reduce down this coconut milk to get that velvety consistency. These are the flavors I'm gonna be using. I'm starting with extra virgin coconut oil. Instantly when you put this into the pan, it just smells the entire room up. A bit of ginger and some garlic, some whole pimento, throw in a bay leaf, fresh thyme, couple scallions. If you don't like your coconut milk too spicy, just leave the Scotch bonnet as is. To make it a little bit spicy, do one little poke. If you want it nice and spicy, we'll do 3 or 4 pokes, just like that. All the aromas and perfumes of that garlic and ginger and the scallion and the Scotch bonnet are all gonna meld into this coconut milk. And I'm gonna let that reduce for like 20 minutes. And next up, I'm gonna be starting to make this curried ackee dish. Ackee is actually a fruit that is native to Africa and it got brought over to Jamaica. It's Jamaica's national dish along with some saltfish. But I'm going a different route today. I'm gonna use a little bit of Jamaican curry powder. It's super high in turmeric. That's what makes it this bright yellow and it has a very specific flavor as well too. So first thing we start off with is more of that extra virgin coconut oil. A bit of onion next. I like to grate a little ginger into this one. A bit of garlic. Oh, it smells amazing. Next up, I'm gonna bring this curry powder back to life. I want all those aromas to perfume this coconut oil. Just a couple more pimento. Next up, a bit of tomato. And sweet pepper. And you can see my coconut milk is fully reduced and all those flavors have melded together. So what I wanna do next is I wanna strain this coconut milk and I'm gonna use part of that into this curry. Now that's Jamaican curry. Look at that color. It's bright, it's intense, it's full of that turmeric, bright yellow color. Now I'm gonna season this really minimally with salt, like really gently with salt. And I wanna allow the flavors of the ackee and the curry powder and all that coconut that we just brought through, I wanna let those shine. I want those flavors to be the ones that we taste, not the salt. And now we're ready to put this ackee in there. So this is ackee from the tin that I strained off. Sometimes I use a little bit of this liquid. This is a real source of a lot of the ackee flavor as well too. But for this dish, All I want is just that nice ackee fruit, and I'm just gonna really gently fold this into the curry. I'm gonna kill the heat on this, and I'm just gonna let this chill. Now, this ackee is ready. Next up, I'm gonna move into some veggies. To go along with this curried ackee, I wanna make sure that we're doing a nice side that stands up on its own. So I'm gonna be doing some Ital inspired veggies. So a little bit of plantain, some sweet potatoes, some bok choy. We have some Brussels sprouts, some carrots. The whole idea of Ital cuisine is that it's natural, it's clean energy, and it's all about respecting your body. I like to cut the plantain nice and thick. This way, it ensures that I'm gonna be able to brown the outsides, but it's gonna stay soft and pillowy on the inside. With so much sugar in these plantain, it's very easy to caramelize and go overboard. So you wanna cook it, nice medium heat. And that's what I wanna see, a little bit of caramelization, where all those starches are starting to leave and the sweetness from the plantain is starting to shine through. So first thing to go into this blanching water is a bit of sweet potato and some carrots. Now this is one of the things that differentiates home cooking from restaurant style cooking. This is a very restaurant style technique. What I'm doing is I'm blanching the vegetables first before they go into my pan. What that's gonna ensure is that everything has an even doneness about it. I cook it to about 90% of the way, and then I saute it and I finish it with everything else. So I'm about midway cooking those carrots. Next up goes in is the Brussels sprouts. So all my veggies are almost all blanched, and so just for the last little finish, I'm gonna put some bok choy in there. That's gonna take no time at all. And in our pan, this is all that oil from the plantain that was in there before. So all that sweetness, all that coconut oil is in there. And we're gonna add some onions. Onions are the foundation to building flavor in so many different dishes. It just has this aroma that just infuses and just perfumes everything. And now that I have this onions in the pan, this is gonna flavor that oil as well too. I'm gonna bring all of our veggies, and that's gonna go straight into the pan as well. Ital cooking doesn't mean that it's boring. Ital cooking means that we're bringing the natural flavors of the veggies to the forefront of the dish. And just a little bit of Scotch bonnet to bring a little extra heat. Yo, Rennie! What's up, brother?
How you doing?
I'm so happy you're here, man.
Thanks for having me.
I can't wait for you to try what I made for you.
I'm excited to try it.
Let's do it. Rennie, I'm so glad to have you here, man.
I'm glad to be here, bro.
From our discussion, you know, like I was thinking clean ingredients, and this is what I came up with, man. Curried ackee.
Looks
with
delicious.
some Ital veggies and some plantain and some bit of rice.
Rasta diet. Rasta diet. I like it.
Want to have a beer with me?
Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. Nice and cold. Cheers.
Cheers. Yes.
Looks amazing. I can't wait.
You a big fan of ackee?
Love it.
I love ackee and saltfish, but sometimes I want to change it up, you know? Keep it fresh,
bro.
keep it new.
It's really good. Like, it's different flavor. I never tried curried ackee, but amazing.
Thinking about sound and like music that you're creating as well too, how do you keep things fresh for the people that you're entertaining?
I like to switch it up and play, you know, some B-side records here and there. Some stuff they wouldn't expect in the club, and when you play it, the reaction, that's all you need. Everyone loves it. They go crazy.
Sunday mornings was always preparation for what we wanted to go and cook. And then Sunday afternoons, like that was sacred for our family, especially our family in Jamaica.
Yep.
That's when we did the majority of our cooking. Was it like that in your family too?
For sure.
Yeah?
My dad would spend like 3-4 hours in the kitchen, sometimes more, making everything from scratch. Even in the mornings, like porridge. Same thing with you? I love porridge. I love me some cornmeal porridge, you know what I'm saying?
Extra condensed milk.
Yeah, so sweet and delicious, you know what I'm saying?
I make it like half porridge, half condensed milk.
What part of Jamaica is your family from?
My dad's from Kingston, my mom's from Ochi.
Okay, nice.
And then most of my family that I go visit now is in Kingston though.
Oh, wow, yeah.
So it's like, it's pretty cool to go see the city and like see the new stuff that's happening.
100%, man.
I love it, man.
My dad's from Kingston.
Okay.
My mom's Italian. I don't know if you knew that.
I didn't know that.
I'm a Rasta pasta, you say.
Jamaican Italian, Jamaican Chinese.
Yeah, bro. Great food in all of those cultures, you know what I'm saying? That's why I like what you guys are doing here at Patois. You got the fusion style. It's really good.
Now, how does fusion play into your music? Because I know that you're known for touching on, multiple genres of music.
I like to blend like R&B and dancehall like in different ways, because I grew up on both genres heavy. Obviously, my dad was a DJ and he played a lot of dancehall around the house. And my mom, she was into R&B and hip hop. I like to blend those two genres and just like make it seamless,
Love that.
Bring it two worlds into one. That's my thing. Yeah.
Now, talking about spice, was spice really high in your house, or was it a little bit more mellow and low key?
Spicy was definitely a thing. My dad would put Scotch bonnet in like everything, but I've gotten used to it. My mom too, like she cooks Italian food, but always with the chilies and the spices,
Is there like one thing about your sounds that nobody else in Toronto could replicate?
I feel like anyone could replicate anything if they try, but it comes down to being authentic.
That's one of those words that I've always found, like gets a lot of love. And then there's on the other side, the word fusion that gets, taken down a lot. Do either one of those words resonate with you?
Well, I'm definitely fused, being half Jamaican and Italian, but I just show up authentic as I can. Like, some people may say he's mixed, so he's not fully authentic Jamaican, but I still champion the culture as much as I can and try to do it in the most authentic way possible.
Do what you do.
Exactly.
Yeah.
My own style.
Growing up, my dad, his drink of choice was always a Red Stripe beer. Do you have any connections or any memories of Red Stripe when you were young?
My pops loved Red Stripe as well. He always had it in the house, and when I go to Jamaica, it's the best when you're on the beach drinking the ice cold Red Stripe straight out the cooler.
I love the stubby bottle, man. It's just, that's what does it for me.
There's nothing like it, right? It's different.
Iconic. Now, Rennie, what I really appreciate is that you've moved beyond just music, beyond DJs. You're going more into this culture, and you're even doing some great causes with Hurricane Melissa.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what you got going on.
Me and my friends came together. I remember I didn't have a lot of time because I was about to go tour in Asia, but we came together the 2 days before I flew out. I was like, okay, it's now or never. I do something while I'm here to make a change. So we threw an event. We raised over $17,000 in just 24 hours of promoting the event and sent it directly to Jamaica for those who need.
Love that.
Yeah.
Love that.
And I have friends doing work as well, like doing clothing drives, toy drives. Yeah, we're just trying to do everything we can because we're here. We owe Jamaica everything,
Yes. Whenever me and my restaurants are involved in great causes like this, what means the most to me is when I get great feedback
100%.
from the people who benefited. Was there anybody that reached out to you?
Here, yes, we got a lot of good feedback from people that are directly from Jamaica that have family back home, and they said they appreciate our work. It's an honor to be able to help and do what I can over here and use my platform for good use.
Nice.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yes, sir.
So, Rennie, I know you're busy. You're doing tours, you're doing concerts, lots of late nights. What do you got going on right now?
Every year we do our annual Deh'ya Fest during Caravana, and it's our biggest event. Last year we had 3,000 people.
Whoa.
This year we're trying to double it. Look out for Deh'ya Fest, August 2nd, 2026. It's going to be an amazing event with some special guests. This is amazing. I really appreciate you having me. Shout out to Patois and Red Stripe for having me be a part of this.
Brother,
Thank you,
Thank you so much, man.
It's an honor.
Can we do just that last quick part without the I had my first beer when I was 7?
Okay.
Nah, but real Jamaicans will relate.
That's the best thing.